Hello everybody, this is Steve from Old Boy Moto. G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Just thought I'd do this video today on an item that I just received in the mail. Most people that watch my channel would know that I'm doing a little bit of work on the Kawasaki Z900rs, and I've got the bike on the stand today, and I've just received my belly pan from Pyramid Parts in the UK. And I must say I'm very pleased with what I've received today. I'll just go over it, and what I'll do is a small video on just how simple it is to fit. So here's the pan itself. I bought the unpainted version. You can get colour matched versions from Pyramid, but this being the new colour scheme for 2026, they haven't as yet nailed the fireball colour, I don't think. I might be wrong, but they may have by now. So I decided to go with the unpainted because, as most people that watch my channel know, I've got a fairing being painted at the moment, so we've decided we're going to do both together. So the item itself came very well packed, very well wrapped up and in a box, and as you can see it's a genuine fiberglass unit. So it looks like there's been hands-on work done on this, and it seems quite robust and seems quite strong, so very happy with that. It's not the ABS type of plastic that you would get for not much different money. So in the box came these comprehensive pictures and instructions, and also the hardware, the brackets, which I have here, the hardware, the brackets. And what I really like about these brackets is, as you can see, they're marked. You know, now not many companies do that. Double R, which means right hand rear. FR, front right, and so forth. On the other side we've got front left, yep, front left, and one left rear. So, you know, that's really good because, you know, there's no guesswork. Well guys, I've been at this job now for a good hour and a half, maybe a couple of hours. What can I say? I've had to bend the brackets because there is just not enough clearance on the headers, as you can see there. That, you know, that's just unacceptable. That's not too bad. That I've got about half an inch, if that, but there's a quarter of an inch there on the second pipe, and this one here is just hopeless. That just sits on it. As you can see, that is just sitting on the header pipe. Now, with this particular bracket here on the left front, it's pretty flimsy, and you just can't stretch the pan out anymore. You know, you could probably just do that, but it just pops back in because, you know, the bracket's flimsy. I'm not impressed. I'm really not impressed. You know, I've played around with that now for nearly 2 hours to try and get that clearance around the pipes. I'm going to have to modify the pan by grinding it out. It just doesn't fit properly. Very disappointed. Header pipes on these new 26 models were slightly different. So I'm not sure whether Pyramid knows that, but you know, because these bikes have only been on the market not very long, I'm not sure whether this belly pan fits these models. Because, you know, it's just, look, there it is, you know. It's sitting on the pipe. And for that to fit, I'm going to have to cut half an inch out of that, you know. I'm able to do this sort of stuff, but, you know, I'm not happy. who would be? When you're advertising belly pans to fit 18 to current, well, this is the current. Well, g'day again, guys. Well, so starts a new day. Just back in the shed. I did do a fair bit of work on the bike last night. Yeah, so what I did is I modified the belly pan. So what I've had to do is I've taken out a little bit of a round here. I've taken out a little bit of a round there so I can get round one of the pipes, and just scraped a little bit out of there too and tidied it up nicely. And also what I've done is I've wrapped the headers, because the belly pan is going to come very close. Even though I have shaved the belly pan out, it will come very close to the header pipes, and you know, it would just burn the paint off. It would get that hot, it would have to, you know, affect the paint. And also I'm going to put a protective wrap on it as well, because it's going to cop a fair bit under there, which I bought with the pan. That came with the pan. It's a 3M sheet, and it's designed to deflect, you know, rubbish and debris and small stones. So, yeah, I thought, you know, if I'm going to go through all that trouble of fitting this pan properly and getting it painted, I really needed to wrap those headers. I didn't really need to wrap the two inside ones, but it just didn't look good. So I wrapped the whole lot as best I could. So it should look all right. What I'll do is I'll mock fit it. I'll just put it on there for you so you can have a look pre-painting. Okay guys, the sun's shining and I've just put the belly pan on so you can get an idea on how it looks. So here we have it here, that's fitted. I've only mock fitted it obviously, but that's basically how it will look after it's painted. Now as you can see, I have achieved a little bit of clearance, taken it out where it was needed. Obviously the second pipe there, that needed a bit there. So yeah, pretty sure that won't worry the paint now. I'm hoping it won't, but it definitely would have, I think, if I had left it as it was. So it's about the same clearance here. As you can see, that little curve there I took out. What intrigues me is there's that much room on one side. You know, there could have been a little bit more fiberglass there to make it stronger, I think. So anyway, that's how it will look. It should look okay. This is obviously pre-painting. Looks pretty good. Well, okay guys, I'm very happy with the way this has turned out. It took quite a few hours to sort out. Yeah, look, these things happen. I think, you know, if you haven't got the skills, or you think you haven't got the skills and you aren't confident enough to, you know, make modifications or do things like that, you would really want to check out if these belly pans do actually fit your model. Now, you know, the company I'm dealing with, Pyramid, they're a reputable company, they're good people. I've sent a couple of emails off to let them know about what's happened, and I expect them to reply to me because they're good people, and they have an interest in protecting their reputation, and they do look after their customers. I can vouch for that. So hoping to hear back from them. Otherwise, you know, look guys, if you really need to make sure that fitting is going to be easy for you, if you don't have the skills to you know, do a little bit of work on stuff yourself. Alright guys, well I appreciate you watching. Next time I do a video, the bike should be all painted up, including the fairing, the belly pan, and I'm expecting it to look schmicko. So look out for the next video. Cheers, God bless, bye for now.